Today's property is brand new. On all my brand new properties, of course, I find a lot less, but I always find enough to justify the price of the inspection. So I always like to treat my brand new properties like a brand new car. You don't even want to scratch on that brand new car, so my inspection reports get a lot more detailed. On this one, I found a few issues. Let's go check it out. Okay, so one of the first issues we had were on the outside shingles. It's brand new, but they accidentally installed over a nail. And let me take you out the window and check it out. So for that type of installation, it's pretty minor. They just need to replace the shingle, but it can easily cause a water penetration in the future. Let's go to the attic and check out the next issue. I talked about this in the past with my last videos, but you really don't want the ductwork to be touching in the Texas attics, or mainly the Houston. It's just so hot and humid up here. Every time the ductwork's touching and I reach in here, I always find moisture in between the ducts. You always want to be separated and lifted and not turn too sharply. Outside, we have fiber cement board. A lot of people mistake this by calling it Hardy siding. Hardy is actually a name brand, so you want to try to figure out which fiber cement board this is made by, because each manufacturer has a different installation guide when it comes to installing their fiber cement board. So in today's siding, I have two minor issues with it. They overcut it in a few spots and have some oversunken nails. Let's go check that out. So one of the last issues with the fiber cement siding is that you want to caulk up or seal up anywhere that there could be possible water penetration. So we actually bolt behind this panel box, so you have screws going through the Hardy. So what it's recommended to do is put a line of caulking around the edge. You don't want to caulk the bottom though, because if water does make it behind it, you still want a way for it to exit. Let's open up this panel box and see some of the issues I found. Okay, Square D is actually one of my favorite panel boxes. It's whenever I open it, it's normally really clean and all the breakers normally work. What these are, they're called AFCI breakers, and the purple ones are normally GFCI, AFCI breakers. So if you have things tripping inside your house, it either means that it's arcing or your breaker's breaking. These breakers cost around anywhere between $15 to $30. If you hire an electrician, they'll charge you a lot more to install it. But the biggest issue I found was actually the main feed wires. When they came in, they didn't bolt it properly, and you can see a fray. This can maybe cause an issue in the future, so I recommend for an electrician to come out and fix this issue. There you go. You can see that I was able to find enough problems to justify the price of the inspection on this brand new build. If you have any home inspection questions, please give us a call, and please like and share the videos.